Good morning from Kandahar.
Good morning.
Oh,
Sorry, I just thought.
good morning to Stephanie
Yes.
too. So last time I was here, if you remember, I said I went to see some nomads, but nobody could translate. So it was very difficult, and so I found someone. That's going to take us, hopefully, to see some nomads today. Stefan and I, right?
Yes, I'm ready.
You've got your hat fixed.
Yes.
It doesn't look like a souffle on your head. So we're off. I've never met this guy before. His name is Aziz. So I have Aziz here.
Yes, Aziz.
Oh, and sad moment. he just said his name to me, and it sounded like sad moment. But what? I say your name.
Sad moment.
It still sounds like sad moment. I'm going to be calling you that all the time now. Moment.
Very toxic name.
Sad moment. Moment.
Yes.
Moment.
Moment.
Mohmen.
Yes.
Okay, it's Mohmen. Mohmen. Sad moment. We're gonna try and hopefully find some. Well, we'll find some nomads today. We're determined to find some nomads. And this is a brick factory. I see lots of children working here, so we're gonna go take a look. I wonder what they make the bricks from. Are they mud bricks?
Yes, they're mud and then they cook it in those.
Oh, okay. They're not like bricks you would find back home. He says they make them from mud and then they bake them. They fire them in a kiln.
Those sides, the yellow bricks, they're the best one.
Who's the boss? Is he the boss? Yes. He's in charge now.
Oh, he's in charge.
He's not the owner.
Assalamu alaikum.
He's the owner of the factory. No, he's not in charge, but he's not the
Okay.
owner.
Ah,
How many employees working here?
60 people around.
60.
Ah, yeah.
How many children?
Sok shnyan karpi.
Shnyano da dar khstmana sar.
Yes, it's about 20 or 10.
20 or 10? How much do they get paid?
Rozanano 5000 khshta po 400 wi. Zar khshta.
400 Afghanis, 4,000 bricks.
4,000 bricks when they those kind of bricks, okay?
£4
Four.
for 1,000 bricks.
400 Afghanis for
They are
1,000
not
bricks.
Wow.
Don't-
Oh,
okay,
wow.
The cooking process is different.
And
That's separate. They don't cook the bricks.
how long does it take to make that many bricks, do you think?
زر خشتي شاوخوا په څو وخت کې جوړیږي.
زر خشنو اوس پر نفر باندې په خلکو کې فرق ساتو خشتي خلک سره معنا 2000 والي 1500 د ورځې والي.
There are people who can
Can lay around 1500 bricks per day. It depends on the worker.
Okay.
If the worker is strong enough,
100 to 2,000.
Okay.
2000 bricks per day.
Does,
So around 800 Afghanis.
does he work making bricks?
I don't think so.
No, he's just for helping.
Salam. It's just,
So what is this? Like a house already?
It's a room.
A restroom, I guess.
oh, a restroom. Oh, wow. Oh, somebody's sleeping. Hello. Wow, look at all these bricks. See the different colors? Yellow ones, red ones.
Yes.
Oh, the coal for firing up kilns. Fire up the bricks. Red bricks, yellow bricks.
It's currently walking.
Furnace.
Go back to the first of the black.
What's he doing? I think he's emptying the ashes out. Fire? I think this is the fire to fire up the furnace here.
Wow, it must be very bad for breathing, you know?
Oh, it's hot. Is someone down there?
Yes. There's somebody down. Look, there's hundreds. Very interesting. Must be very bad for the lungs.
Wow. So he's cleaning it out, obviously.
Yeah.
Emptying the fire.
Is it very hot down there?
دغه د وایډر ګرمي خو به نه ګرم ده. It's too hot. دغه وایډر تر نور ډیر پیسې اخلي که یو غونه اخلي.
Yeah. No, the same money?
It's daily wage here.
But he walks the hardest, I think. Very hot, bad air.
Look, there's a guy down there all day working there, emptying the kilns. It's so hot down there and dusty. Wow. It's not even hot summer yet.
Yes.
When it's in summer, they have to do this in the blazing heat. Got a big crowd here.
Yes, I told you, you can get very crowded.
Here, can you walk on this?
What a tough job. I can't even imagine.
دغه باندې د کولاو راځي زغال کنه دا زیاته در بشه
دا اوس د په خده اور اوس په خلاغل روان دي خو سوري سنتر دي
So they have to cook this brick. Therefore they put coal inside it.
دا کې مثال اور دي یو سنتر کې کولا وراچ چې کله دا پوښ شي بیا غې ته وراوړي
So this is the area that they cook the bricks?
Yes.
Maybe underneath. Oh, no. Look, I feel like hot coming out. Yeah, so maybe underneath this is just vents, I think.
دا سره کوم وای سره وډي لاندې بټري اوس دغه د چالانه ده.
I feel heat coming out.
Yes.
This is like the oven.
Yes. Like on
Okay. So we're standing on top of the oven.
Yes.
Yes, I can feel it going up my abaya.
But it's not the most heated part.
No.
The most heated part is over there.
Oh. Where? Heading over to the most heated part now. Oh, wow. I feel the heat here. Look, I'm filling up the furnaces here. Imagine doing this all day. I wish you could feel how hot it is. It's so hot. All day long, filling up the furnaces to cook the bricks. What a process. Unbelievable. It's a huge process and tough. So tough. Such a little money they get. I wonder how much these guys get paid. So how much do these guys get paid?
All are the same.
All the same.
The same daily wages.
Local coal.
Line. You look at this one, this part. All the furniture.
Down somewhere, I don't know where. Imagine working in this brick factory in the heat of the summer. They don't stop. I don't know who owns the factory. I don't know who the big boss is, the one that's actually making the money from all these people that are working here under these brutal conditions. Here we're seeing I think this is the beginning process over here. So this is where they start the process. Freshly made bricks here. They haven't been fired up in the ovens yet. We're followed here by everybody. Okay, so here's where the process begins. Okay. Then he goes over. Perfect.
Dry in the sun.
So I imagine they let them dry in the sun for a few hours, or maybe even days, I don't know. Poor kids. He said about 20 kids worked here, but I don't know. These kids look like they've been working. They're all covered in mud. They're all covered in mud, so they definitely look like they've been working here.
Yeah.
250
Molds to complete 1,000 bricks.
to complete 1,000 bricks.
Times like this.
Jeez.
And he is doing it so quick.
Okay.
I wonder who the big boss is. Who's the one that owns the factory? You wonder, and who makes? Because obviously the person that owns the factory is the one making all the money, right? Very interesting. All right, so that was the brick factory that we just randomly found driving by and made a stop. And everybody's working hard, like brutally hard. All over, everybody's making bricks. Never seen this before. Okay, so I don't know if this is enough to make a whole vlog on, but interesting. On a day out in Kandahar, just on a road trip, really looking for the Nomads and anything else interesting that we pass. So these people have no choice. There's not much work around, so if they want to eat at night, they have to do a day's work here. Bye!